America, the land of dreams, innovation, endless opportunities, but is everything as perfect as it seems? Let's dive into what's really going on in the United States today. Economic inequality. Did you know that the top 1% of Americans now own more wealth than the entire middle class combined? While Silicon Valley billionaires are sending rockets to space, millions of families are struggling to afford basic healthcare and education. Is this the American dream or just a nightmare for the majority? What do you think? Can this growing gap between the rich and the rest ever be bridged? Social polarization. From political ideologies to social movement, the United States today feels more divided than ever. Whether it's debate over climate change, gun control, or even basic human rights, the divide is deeper and the dialogue is angrier. How did we go from united we stand to a country at odds with itself? Is there a way to bridge this divide, or are we heading toward an irreversible split? Another silent revolution is taking place, the rise of artificial intelligence and automation. While this technology promises efficiency, it's also quietly displacing millions of jobs. Have you thought enough about what happens to American workers when robots take over? Is America ready for the shift, or we are walking into an economic storm unprepared? So what do you think? Is America still a land of opportunities, or are we witnessing a slow unraveling of a dream? Comment below. What's your take on income inequality, social polarization, or AI revolution? Let's start a conversation, because understanding is the first step to change. And hey, if you found this thought provoking, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Together let's explore the stories that matter. Because end of the day, the truth isn't black or white. It's somewhere in between. See you in the next video.